Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset Discord settings. So let's get started. So if you are trying to reset your Discord settings, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. So first what you have to do is just simply search for Discord in your device. After searching for Discord, now you will find the uninstall option over here. What you have to do is just simply tap on that, and after tapping on that, now it will take you to the app section inside your Windows device, and from here you should also search for Discord. And after searching for Discord, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on uninstall. And after uninstalling your Discord, what you can do is just simply reinstall your Discord from this website. So what you can do is just simply type in discord.com in your browser. Select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, search for discord.com and then install it and then log into your account. After doing that, now you will reset all your settings on Discord. So that's it guys, this is how to reset Discord settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.